Welcome to Code with SP, the world of learning. In this video, we are going to learn logical operators in Python. So we have three logical operators in Python: and, or, and not. And returns true if both the statements are true. Let's say there are two statements, x less than 5 and x less than 10. It will return true only if both the statements are true. Then comes this or. It returns true if one of the statement is true. If x less than 5 is true and the other statement is false, it will return true. If x less than 5 is false and x less than 10 is true, then also it will return true. And if both the statements are true, obviously at that time it will return true. And then comes is not. It reverses the result from true to false and false to true. Let's say there is a school and or a college, and there is a student named Mary. She went to her class teacher saying she want to leave for some XYZ reason. Class teacher granted her a leave. Then she went to her HOD saying I want to leave, and HOD said no. So one statement is true and one statement is false. So she ended up not getting a leave because in AND statement says this resultant will be true only if both the statements are true. Then there is one more guy named Bob. He went to his class teacher saying he want a leave. Class teacher granted him a leave. Then he went to his HOD. HOD also granted him a leave. Then ultimately he got the leave because both the statements are true. Then for OR statement, Mary went to her class teacher saying she want a leave. She got the leave from her class teacher. Then she went to her HOD saying she want a leave. HOD said no. But ultimately she ended up getting a leave because OR statement says even if only one statement is true, the resultant will be true. Even if HOD is not allowing you, you can take a leave or you can get a leave. Then Bob went to his class teacher asking for a leave. A class teacher granted him a leave. Then he went to his HOD. He also granted him a leave. So ultimately Bob got the leave. So now we will take an programming example and let's understand this. So there is one variable named x. So x equal to 7. The value or the data saved in x is 7. So there are two statements, x less than 5 and x less than 10. So whether x less than 5, 7 is less than 5? No, it is false. Then x less than 10, 7 less than 10? It is true. So false and true. If one of the statement is false means the resultant will be false. And statement says and statement results true only if both the statements are true. Then for OR statement, x less than 5, whether 7 is less than 5? No. So false. Whether 7 is less than 10? Yes. So false or true, it will return true because one of the statement is true. Then not statement. X less than 5, 7 less than 5, whether it is true? No, it is false. But not of this false. It will reverse the result. So the resultant will be true. Let's first save this file. I'll save this with the name day8.py and all files. Then I'll go to my command prompt. I'll type Python, my file name .py. False, true, true. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.